So check out this super thin HD antenna here that I just got for picking up HD channels over the air. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So as you can see, this is a super thin antenna, really nice. It has adhesive on the back, so you can stick it to a window or anything just like that. So basically that's all it is, really nice and small. It has a nice long wire as well, so you can put it anywhere you like. So yeah, it's really easy to set up. So it has this little amplifier here. So if you live in an urban area where there are a lot of towers pretty close by, you can set it to short range. If you're in a more rural area, you can use long range there. And then setup is really easy. Basically, plug in a USB cable right there. So from this box here, just plug in to the USB port right there. I believe that's just for power, and then the other end of the cable is just a coax cable, so you can just plug that into the antenna port right there in the back, and then that is all. Really easy setup. Then after that, you scan the channels on your TV, set it to antenna, scan, and then you'll be able to pick up channels like this. You'll be able to watch football, local news, etc., all in HD, so super nice. So once you run a scan on TV to pick up the different channels. So as you can see, these are all the different HD channels I can pick up here in my area. They're all kind of like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. So you pick up a good number of channels. A lot of them are in HD. So yeah, all free. So a great way to save money on TV and not having to pay for cable.